In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Calendly with Outlook. Whether you're scheduling meetings, interviews, or just trying to manage your time more efficiently, integrating these two powerful tools can streamline your scheduling process, ensuring you never miss an appointment. Our journey begins by navigating to Calendly's home page. You can do this by typing calendly.com into your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself at the gateway to more organized scheduling. Next, locate and click on the Login button, which is usually at the top right of the page. This is your first step into the world of Calendly, assuming you already have an account. If not, take a moment to create one, then proceed with us. Once you've clicked on Login, you'll see an option to Continue with Google. This is a convenient way to log in if your Calendly account is connected to a Google account. It's all about making the process as smooth as possible, so select this option if it suits you. Following the Google pathway, you'll then be asked to select the account you want to use. Choose the Google account that is linked or that you wish to link with Calendly. This integration simplifies the connection process, leveraging your Google account's calendar right away. After selecting your account, you'll see a screen asking you to continue. This is Google's way of making sure you are the one making the connection and that you authorize the linking of your Calendly with your Google account, including its calendar functionalities. Now, once you're successfully logged into Calendly, it's time to navigate further. Head over to Calendly's main dashboard. You're now in the heart of your Calendly account where all your scheduling magic happens. From here, look for and click on Integrations and Apps. This special section is where Calendly's power truly unfolds, allowing you to connect a variety of apps and services to enhance your scheduling capabilities. It's like adding superpowers to your Calendly account. In the search bar within the Integrations and Apps section, type in Outlook. This is your key term to find the integration we're focusing on today. The search function is quick and intuitive, designed to bring up the results relevant to your query in no time. Among the search results, you'll find Outlook Calendar. This is what you've been looking for. By clicking on Outlook Calendar, you're one step closer to syncing Calendly with your Outlook calendar, bridging the gap between these two platforms. Finally, you'll see an option to connect once you've selected Outlook Calendar. This is the moment where the integration becomes real. Click on Connect and follow the prompts to authorize Calendly to access your Outlook calendar. It's a straightforward process, ensuring that your Calendly events beautifully sync up with your Outlook calendar. With these steps, you've now successfully connected Calendly to your Outlook. This integration is a game changer, automating the scheduling process and bridging your communication between Calendly and Outlook. Let's recap what we've accomplished today. We started by logging into Calendly through Google, a quick gateway. We navigated to the heart of Calendly, journeyed through the Integrations and Apps section, and finally we connected Calendly to Outlook, enabling seamless synchronization between your calendars. Remember, integrating these tools doesn't just save time, it enhances your productivity, ensuring your scheduling is always on point no matter how busy life gets. Explore the possibilities this integration opens up for you, from automating appointment bookings to efficiently managing your daily tasks. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this tutorial helps you streamline your scheduling and maximizes your productivity. Until next time, keep optimizing and see how much more you can achieve.